Hello, parents and students of West Jordan Middle School. In this video, we will walk you through the process of setting up a parent as an observer on Canvas. This is an important feature because it allows parents to not only keep on top of grades and assignments, but also to see all announcements and all other communication that will be helpful for them to keep their students on top of their schoolwork. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to do is go ahead and type in JSD for Student Jordan School District, Instructure. Instructure is the company that owns Canvas. So when you click here, you'll get a link to our Canvas page. We'll open the digital and learning website, and you can go ahead and we're going to start with student access. So we'll click here. Now, in order to log into Canvas, we can use the Google login. And the Google login is your student's email address. This is on their schedule or can be found on Skyward. So for this student, we're going to type in the first 5 letters of their last name, first 3 of their first name, and there's usually some sort of code, like a 00 something, so 002, at my.jordandistrict.org. Once we do that, we can click to make sure it goes through. It recognizes the account. Now we put in the password. And the password is your student's lunch number. So here I'll put in this lunch number, ... Okay, now we are in Canvas. And all of your students know how to log into Canvas. We use it every day in class. And so if you need help getting on, go ahead and ask your student for help. Now that we're in Canvas, we're going to come over here, and this is the dashboard of every class your students enrolled in. And we're going to go ahead and click on a class. And then, click Account, Settings. And then we will go ahead and look at this page. These are the settings that we can set up. And here on the right-hand side, you will see an option that says Pair with Observer. I'm going to click that, and it says share the following pairing code with an observer, which would be a parent or guardian, to allow them to connect with you. So we're going to go ahead and copy this, right-click copy, or you can write it down. Either way is best for you. Then we're going to click Account again and go ahead and log out of the student's account. Okay. Now, let's go back to the parent login portal. So we're going to go back to JSD Instructure. And we're going to log into Canvas. And here is the Canvas login page. And at the very top in the right corner, it says Parent of a Canvas User. You're going to go ahead and click that, and then type in your name. So for this one, I don't know, I made myself Mikel Arteta, who's a soccer player. My email, I'll put in francincte@gmail.com. I'll make a password, whatever I want it to be. And then here is where that code from before comes in handy. I copied that code from before, and we pulled that up. So either you wrote it down, or I'm just going to paste it in. And there is my code. I'm going to agree to the terms of use and click Start Participating. And this might take a little bit, but now whenever you want to log into Canvas, you will go ahead and log in with the email and password that you just set up. All right, and you can make it save that if you want, but we'll go ahead and start looking at this. So in Canvas, these are all the different classes a student is in, and we can go ahead and click on a class. And we can see a welcome from the teacher. We can see different assignments being done. If you click on grades, you will see a breakdown of what students are getting for their scores. And obviously it's the first week of school, so there's nothing in here. So yeah, this is how you become an observer on Canvas. You'll be able to see what your student sees and help keep them on top of their work. Thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, always feel free to give us a call. Thanks.